They have lots of things to talk about. So the first one, I'm going to show you guys how you can actually flip samples you hear online, how you could actually chop up those samples to fit on the beat. Then the next thing I'm going to be showing you guys is this amazing plugin you need to add up to your collection. I saw this video of this Chinese lady singing on TikTok. So I decided to download that video, convert it to MP3, and this was what the audio sounded like.
山对山来爱对爱，蜜蜂采花深山里来，蜜蜂本为采花。
Like this, hearing this already is already a vibe. Trust me, it's already a vibe. So if you have a sample like this and you are like struggling or thinking how you can actually chop it and fit it to whatever tempo you're doing, it's actually very easy, easier than you might think, right? So once you have converted your sample to MP3, what you can do is just bring it into FL, right click and take it right into Edison. So once you edit sample, you can just open up this sample and chop it. So let's just select, let's see. So we're gonna try to count 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, you get, so you just try to get it on time like that. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So yeah, this is now a perfect loop. So this is a 1 bar loop. So I'm just gonna drag that region. Let's put it down here. So, but if you play it now with our tempo, it's not gonna fit. 1. So, but I know that I counted 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, which is 1 bar. So I'm just gonna double click on this sample, come over to the stretch, the mode, and change it to stretch, and just change our time to 1 bar. So now it's gonna fit on that count or whatever tempo you drag it to. So let's see now. So let's do this. Let's do another part. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. So yeah, this is like a good count. Let's drag that, put that down. The same thing, we're gonna stretch it and just change it to 1 bar. So with that together, and we've put it on time. So that's how you can do for the other part. And that's how I was able to times stretch that vocal to have this. So yeah, that's how I was able to time stretch it, and we have that vibe, right? So the next thing is gonna be our drums. Trust me, once you have it on time, whatever drum, even though I just drag in a drum loop and put right on it, is going to fit. So the next thing was the chords, because getting the vocals to sit right is the first thing. The next thing, you need to play some chords. And that's why I'm gonna be introducing guys to this amazing plugin called the Afro Labs. Big shout out to Manifest. So yeah, I use it basically for this whole beat. So let's go over to the chord section. So this is the plugin Afro Labs. Afro Labs sounds like this. As an Afrobeat producer, you just need to have this plugin, because that era of you know, looking for the right sound is gone. With this, you already have good sound. So let me just pick a region. Let's go over to the mallet, for example, and let's just see some of the sounds in the mallet. Yeah, but so I could go over the plugin. But yeah, back to what we started. So I had that vocal, then with the chord, sounds like this. Let me sub from Afro Labs. Nice. Then next thing is our drums, and the drums, you just have a simple drum bounce. So with our bass, with our sub bass, and we have this. And this is already a vibe. This is already like bedu, right? So for the drums, we have a steady kick. And already now you know this kick now. You guys already know this kick. Then percussion, we have this. They'll have this. We have this log snare. They have these hats. They have some congas. They have this tribal sound from those Edicos pack. Yeah, with the bass. So it's already done with the chord. So add on that conga. Up on that conga. They'll have these shakers. So together. That's also from Afro Labs. Sounds like this. I just added this sound. Yeah. And yeah, that's basically everything for the beat. These others are just samples. We just have some nice strings just to give some transitions. We have this. We have our China vibe. Everything together sounds like this. Yeah, man, so if you got something from this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification, so whenever I post, you get to know, you don't want to missing out on these amazing vibes, amazing videos that I do drop. So hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notification so you get notified when next I post. See you guys in the next video, and peace out.